Folks, so week 3. This week we're going to get going on the research proposal. That's our second document, the second largest quarter. We'll start though by situating ourselves by beginning our own theory of technical writing. In the theory of technical writing, you're asked to think about what technical professional writing is, how it gets done, and what it values. We all have to know these things in order to do anything at all, but without taking the time to figure out what it is we actually know, we can end up repeating the same thing over and over again, even if it's not the right thing, or get frustrated when we can't adapt. So we'll take a few notes now, review those notes later on, like mid-quarter, and then formulate a more or less complete theory at the end of the quarter. Okay, don't worry if this sounds daunting. It won't be. We'll just build it up a little at a time. Then we're going to look at a research proposal. We're going to just get a sense of what a sample research proposal looks like, just to see how it works and what areas is it strong, what areas could it be better, what areas could it, do you think it does really well? You know, how do images work? What's the white space and all that kind of stuff? So we're going to look at a sample here and just report on it, just get a sense of where it is we're going and how we're going to get there. That's for Wednesday. Then for Sunday, we're going to look a little bit more deeply at the IMRAD structure of scientific papers right there. Just watch a little video, make sure we understand what the terms mean: introduction, methods, results, and discussion. The A often means and, but some people separate it and call it analysis, prior to discussion, whatever. Lots of people include the analysis as parts of the discussion. The code is more like guidelines, as they say. So we're going to watch the IMRAD structure, make sense of that. Then we're going to watch a video by a professional writer on his writing process. Now, he's got a very elaborate process, and yours may not be as elaborate as his, but watching this video will likely help you make sense of the kind of stages that you go through in planning and developing a piece of writing so that you can decide what you want to do better, what you want to take a little more time on, and what you think you're doing well on. Then we're going to close out the week by doing what looks like a pretty easy task of just reviewing quotation, paraphrase, and summary. But I'm going to ask you to do a little bit more than that, something a little bit more challenging. I'm going to have you write an analytical summary, one that includes a paraphrase and quotation. Analytical summaries are powerful little things that can be used in all sorts of scientific technical situations. So we're going to give a shot at that. I'm going to ask you to read a sample chapter to remind yourself of what summary, quotation, and paraphrase is. I'll have you read an article online, a short one, it's pretty easy, and then write up one of those things. I'll give you some feedback, revise, resubmit as you wish. 5 credit, folks. Read the annotated bibliography assignment, teach yourself what an annotated bib is, and read a chapter from last on the textbook. That's for 5 credit people. Okay, so maybe 3-4 hours max for the week. I think you can do it even quicker than that if you're fast. Good luck.